report of field work practice maintenance of IPAL blower PLTU Karangandri Cilacap Unit 1 and 2. Background. Field work practice (PKL) is an activity that must be carried out by students majoring in power generation engineering when class 11 is directly in the industrial or business world related to knowledge in the future or after grounding. Students can compete in the industrial world. PKL implementation time for 8 modes carried out by PKL students majoring in power generation engineering (TPTL), which was carried out at PLTU Karangandri Unit 1, 2, and 3. In implementation, students are accompanied by a mentor or mentor who is in each unit aimed at providing knowledge, experience, and understanding for students. In addition, students are given the opportunity to student in various units at PLTU Karangandri, which are carried out alternately according to the schedule. There are quite a lot of units in PLTU Karangandri. From the number of units in the blower is one of the tools in the WWTP unit. Therefore, I wanted to learn about blower maintenance, so I made WWTP blower maintenance the title of my report. 2. Contents of material. Blower is an item blowing machine. The name blower itself is taken from the term blow, or which means to blow. For how it works, that is by sucking air from the inlet and then processing in a blower machine to adjust the air pressure before blowing the air back into an outlet pipe. Closed spec. Switch can later be used to supply a system that requires air. Before it's a type machine that supports a prevent sludge deposition in the ATP effluent treatment plant. Blower parts consist of 1 blower body, 2 motor, 3 section chamber set, 4 fan belt, 5 casing blower, 6 base plate. The treatment is 1. Change the oil. 2. Replace the fan belt if it is damaged. 3. Clean the filter. 4. Painting the rusty blower parts. 3. Construction and suggestion. Construction. During PKL at PLTU Karangandri Cilacap, I got a lot of knowledge and experience that I support there. Besides that, I was also happy because I met my friend and able to get acquainted directly with the supervisor of PLTU. Therefore, I can record from several days while undergoing start windows at PLTU Karangandri Cilacap. Among others, 1. The power plant is not the only maintenance cycle, like boiler, turbine, generator, condenser, and repeated again. But the jump was a lot of support cycles, like the water cycles and the fuel cycle. 2. There are many various of the factors that support the unit network so that it can work regularly and optimally. For example, warehouse and WWTP. 3. Liquid waste that is dispersed into the environment is not just thrown away but processed fish in the WWTP. Waste previously wasted cycle and tested for properties for based on Guidal's suggestion. 1. ID card is graded and should not be lost. 2. Participation and activity carried out by all members, if not invited, be whether permission run along. 3. Use VPN the PLTU and don't outsource yourself.